Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we have Samsung Galaxy A50 and we have TalkBack on this phone. How to turn off the TalkBack on any Android device with the quick settings. Let me show you. So we're gonna use two fingers to scroll up and down, and we're gonna use double tap to select any application or in the settings. So first I'm gonna use double finger to scroll up and down.
Home screen, page 2 of 4.
And we're gonna select the settings with double tap.
App search. Setting.
Get into the settings. Now we're gonna use double fingers to scroll up and down, but we're gonna select here
Accessibility. Navigate up button out of list.
There's a TalkBack.
TalkBack.
Gonna double tap on it.
Navigate up.
Select
TalkBack.
it single tap.
Switch. Turn off
Double
TalkBack.
tap.
Turn off.
Double tap.
TalkBack off.
And that's it. Now the phone is in a normal state, and that's how you do it.